Hi guys, it's been a while since the last video, right? Anyway, the content is a little bit different this time. Typically, talent and behind the scenes personnel are handled by the same person. This time, the content will be created by 3 talented students in which we all played a role in the creation of this content. The first one is Stefani Ernes Adisti, who works behind the scenes to conceptualize and direct the video. Then there's Yunia Aqlia Charima, who will be getting makeup for her role as a model. Lastly, Annisa Agustina serves as makeup artist, putting on makeup to the model. When it comes to makeup artists, you must already know what content it is. Could you figure it out? Right. In this video, we will show you how to put a simple makeup for daily activity. Especially since numerous campuses are currently implementing face-to-face meetings on campus, many students are undoubtedly competing to look their best. But don't worry, this video will help those who want to look glowy or at least fresh without wearing a lot of makeup. So, without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. We will moisten the face with Wardah Lightening Face Mist before applying makeup. With its advanced niacinamide content, this product claims to brighten the skin and protect it from the harmful effects of blue light. Unlike most people, we will use setting spray as the first step in our makeup routine this time. While we wait for the setting spray to set on our bare skin, we can apply lip serum. In this case, Madame G Lip Serum. This lip serum claims to repair and nourish the lips from within. Moreover, it is claimed that this product contains vitamin E, which will soften, moisturize, and restore the natural color of the lips. This step is actually optional. It could be applied if the lips are dry, but it is not necessary. The following step is to put on sunscreen. We use Nivea Sun Protect and White Instant Aura SPF 50+ sunscreen products to protect facial skin from UVA and UVB rays, which can cause skin damage such as dullness, dark spots, and premature aging. In particular, this product claims that the special Aura Booster formula from Nivea Sun and licorice extract instantly makes facial skin look bright and radiant. It should be noted that direct layering of other products will result in white cast, so we must wait until the sunscreen has set on the facial skin. After the sunscreen has set on the skin, we can apply the primer. We use Focaloid Glow Max Primer Brighten and Moisture Makeup, which claims to eliminate dullness and instantly brighten up skin tone, to be infused with Hydra and long-lasting skin water locking and to moisturize skin all day. Apply the primer evenly to the face by gently rubbing it in. This product works as a makeup base layer, making it look smoother and last longer. The next product to be applied is foundation, and we use Madame G BB Film Foundation Liquid in the Velour shade. Apply foundation to your face with a sponge and gently pat it in. Do not rub. This product works to even out facial skin tone and cover facial flaws. After applying the foundation evenly, we apply concealer, which we use O2O Concealer Natural Liquid Makeup Invisible. Just like foundation, we can even out concealer by dabbing sponge into the area that has been applied. This type of cosmetic product is typically used to conceal dark circles under the eyes, dark spots, and other minor flaws on the face such as acne scars. The following step is to shape and fill in the brows. We use Focaloid Waterproof Eyebrow Gel in this step. Eyebrow gel thickens the hair on the brows by adding texture and locking the shape of the brows to keep them neat. Aside from gel, products for shaping and filling brows are available in pencil, pomade, and other forms. It should also be noted that concealer can be used to cover up less than perfect brow edges. The next product we apply is eyeliner, and we use Shishu Define Liquid Eyeliner Pen Waterproof. This product is used to define the shape of the eye and cover flaws in the eye. For example, a down, too narrow, or round eye can be slightly manipulated with the right form of eyeliner. The following step is to apply loose powder, which we use Mark's Beauty Powder in Invisible Shade. This product is applied by sweeping a large powdered brush all over the face. Loose powders are more finely milled so they contain less oils and are typically used on oily skin types to control the oil your face develops throughout the day. Loose powder needs to be swept away after it has set on your skin. Blush is a makeup product that is used next. An amniotically pressed blush in bittersweet shade is used in this look. The color of this brand's blush on doesn't come out right away when applied to the face, so you must apply it several times to get the color out. It can be plus or minus depending on the individual, because some people prefer makeup products that must be built up first rather than one that pops up right away. However, some people prefer makeup products that color comes out right away, so they don't have to apply it many times. For the next step, we have Salsa Dynamite Lip Cream in number 9 Kiss Me and number 8 Boba Milk Tone. By these two colors, we will blend it to intensify the lip color. In applying two tones lipstick, first, we must decide one color for the main lip color. Then we have to choose a color that is either lighter or darker than the base color, but make sure it is similar in hue. In this case, we use number 8 Boba Milk Tone for the base shade and pair it up with number 9 Kiss Me Tone. This application will create a good gradient of color on the lips. Last but not least, we will use Maybelline Volume Express Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara for the final touch. This product is trusted not only to darken lashes but also to lengthen for brighter looking eyes. To put on mascara, start with eyelash curler to help achieve the effect of fuller and longer looking lashes. After that, we can apply the mascara by rolling it forward to capture its lashes and bring it back and forth. So, here is the look. In our opinion, this look is perfect for daily activities because it doesn't take long to put on makeup and the makeup isn't too heavy, so it is appropriate for a variety of occasions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in, stay healthy, keep happy, and God bless!